on the corner of 7th Street and Jenny, Janae, 7th Street in Keys, California, just between Turlock and Ceres, is Tacos El Hidalguense. El Hidalguense meaning from Hidalgo, which we've just learned is a state.
Where Viggo Mortensen lives.
In the state in Mexico where Viggo Mortensen lives, right here in the parking lot of the Hidalguense, I hope I'm saying that right, little market is Tacos El Hidalguense. Tacos from Hidalgo. Tacos the Hidalgo. Here inside the market, you can find a plethora of things. Sam, what did you find?
I found 3 Cokes and a chainsaw.
Cokes. We also have a chainsaw and, a moped.
Yeah.
And the Cokes.
And the Cokes. Mainly the Cokes. It's 104 degrees out and I'm really hungry.
So we're going to try all my friends say this is the best taco truck in town. So we're going to give it a shot. Next, you will find us at home eating the things we've ordered.
Already I can see the tortilla is a different composure than most.
Oh, let's see that up close. Okay.
It's got a different kind of
a feel. Does it feel homemade?
I think it's potentially homemade.
All right.
Kind of feels like, those little tortilla land tortillas that are in the refrigerated part of the grocery store.
Oh.
Oh, it is spicy. Immediately.
We were told that this salsa was spicy.
But it's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Describe it.
I think it's the same asada and onions and sour cream and all that stuff that you go to a taco truck for. But yeah, the tortilla is different. And the salsa is hot as the outside world right now.
It's 104 today.
It's 104 today. I'm here for it. Put it on the screen. Give me 3 thumbs up from a different animal each. I want like a chimpanzee thumb, human thumb, and something else that has thumbs.
I was told that the thing to get at Tacos El Hidalguense is the Pastor taco. So I am now going to try it. Just to get a close up of that. Immediately salty. You taste the salt right away. Then the spice sneaks up on you, and the sauce was really good. I'm here for it. Give me one of Sam's blistery thumbs.
Right.
Oh, don't show that on the food thing.
What?
Oh, fireworks, safe and sane.
It's a little hot. Tortilla's very good, very smooth. Much like that of a dolphin.
How many dolphin flippers do you give this?
I give this 4 out of 5.
Wow, 4 out of 5 dolphin flippers.
It's very tasty.
The heat isn't the worst heat I've experienced.
No, but it could be cooled down.
It's like eyeball sweat heat. Like the sweat gets to your eyeballs. You're not crying, but you got a sweaty eyeball.
There was a way to like maximize flavor, but like reduce the heat just a little bit. I would like that.
Oh.
Hence the 4 out of 5.
It sounds like you are white.
You heard it here, folks. We like these tacos and burritos, and Josh is white.